warehouse.
Ooh, oh, shit.
Hindi ba?
Anyway, she doesn't know what my gift is. This is my setup.
So, 1 year. Cheers.
Ano yan?
Give me. Yung regalo ko. Saan ako gusto mo? Natira ko po. Hindi ko alam. Pero sira naman yung box.
Ano gusto mo yan?
Hindi, sira talaga.
Ah, sira
Bawal
talaga.
ng ano. Warehouse.
Ooh, oh, shit.
Hindi ba... Oh.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Sakto. Yeah.
Kala ko kasi gusto mo yung may bakal, yung may
Stick on. Yeah, that's good too. Pero mas...
bet mo yun. May
Classy.
mascal mo
Yeah,
eh. Yeah. I'm good guys. I'm still good. I still got it. Feeling ko manipis yung ano.
Yung...
Sabi ko nagtrabahuan ko to. Sasabihin.
Oh, yeah.
God. Sure? Maluwag. This one. Sana hindi madaling manipis yung sole.
So,
Lagi mo naman paglalakarin ito.
kaya pang office work. Ah, malambot naman siya.
Sana nga hindi agad manipis.
Medyo lang ito ang inaalala. Pero baka mamaya.
Babakbak. Lagay mo sa aircon.
Or something.
Lagay mo sa aircon.
Okay.
Screwed mo.
Ayan, gano'n. Medyo see-through siya.
Oh, yun nga eh. Ilitan.
It's cool.
Hindi siya pang ulan kasi opener.
Okay, specs siya material.
Yan. Sana magagamit ba?
Kasi wala kasi yung pang-forma ko na nagka-classy.
Taksi ka ba ito medyas? Ay! Oh, really?
May kasama ko medyas.
I'm happy anniversary. First time ko ito.
Sorry na wala akong regalo ko. Joke and dyan actually. Pero kumakyat ko muna.
Bye for now.
Tatawagin na lang. So, yeah. Mag-set up muna ako. So, accidentally namatay. Anyway, she doesn't know what my gift is. So, but first I'm just gonna start preparing.
Kala ko ba ayaw mo mag-vlog?
Eh, para sa'yo ako nag-vlog eh.
Ano, totoo ba?
Oo.
Hala, ang cute mo naman. Kita niyo yan, guys. And kids. Yee. Kids. Tingin mo ilan.
Okay. 4, hopefully.
Grabe yung tingnan mo. Hindi siya na lang. Siya, guys,
Or maybe
ang
2,
iiri.
kahit okay na dalawa. Pwede na dalawa.
Siya ang iiri sa inyo.
So,
Love you.
I guess it doesn't look too bad after all. That's hot.
Hindi ko alam bakit pa siya na-awkwardan. Ano sabi mo?
Awkward ko.
Cute mo nga eh. Pinapakita niya yung petal. Sabi niya, fake daw yun. Yun daw yung gagawin mong pang romance.
Pang ano?
Romance dun.
Yeah,
Dagdag.
parang for the
Ay, hindi
scenery.
mo. Shuk, 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 shuk. Ito kong tuwa siya. Oh, yay. Pero kabado yan.
Sobra.
Bakit? Bakit?
Siyempre. May pa kung magugustuhan mo kasi yung setup.
Of course. Bakit hindi? Tsaka tawag dito. Actually guys, ayan na nagsasalita na siya. Aray, si Michi ang saksi ng lahat.
Call her now and hopefully I don't fuck up proposing. What I'm gonna say. Hopefully she says yes. So yeah. B? She's not responding. B?
Dito eh, no? Dito.
Hindi ko na.
Pakamot-kamot. Eh, pahid mo na, pahid.
Hindi ko alam kung paano ko tatayo, kung anong pwesto.
Oh my God! Michi, kasama ka? Kakalat ka po. Sa sense ko na awkward kasi sobrang init. Tapos ako hindi ko rin i-react ko.
Ay,
Siyempre,
yung
di
kandila
naman
kasi
ano. First time ko nga
nagpapainit.
kasi magpo-lumuhod. Pero, officially, ano lang siya. Promise ring.
Yeah,
Kasi
promise
hindi
ring.
sakto yung ring.
Promise rin din talaga naiisip ko. Eh, yun nga, sobrang awkward kung mali yung nasabi ko.
Mali yung nasabi niya. Okay lang, it's your first time. Is it your first time?
Yes. Yes, first
Bakit
time.
pa question?
First time kong lumuhod.
Hindi ka ba lumuhod?
No, never pa.
Never daw siya lumuhod.
Never
Okay.
lumuhod.
Okay.
First time, I still get stuck by beauty. Until now, I still can't believe that I am this lucky to be with an amazing person such as yourself. At the time, I never would have imagined that one day I'd be on one knee. Be on one knee. A ring on my hand, proposing to you. The happiest that I ever thought I'd be. And if you'd let me, I'd spend the rest of my life trying to make it. So, Aaron Jane Alec Aspen. Will you marry me? Yeah, pawis na ako sobrang init.
Wait, nagawa ko na muna.
Kasha? Sis ka siya nakita sa kabila. What? Promise ring?
Yun nga, bakit hindi siya sakto? Check ko pa yan. O, yan o.
Yun na yung pinakamaliit na size nila eh.
Bakit?
Wala nang iba pang mas maliit.
Ano ba size ng ring ko ulit?
Ito pa 5 ka ata or something.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Hey, Mark.
Hello.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know what to say.
Tapos may pa kandila. Oo nga eh. Ganun. Nahalo mo ba? Parang na-shape mo?
Ay, a bit. Kapag shinik ka ng sobra, puputok po ng mas malakas. Bibuild up na nga sa taas.
Kasi kailangan ba?
Ano ba itong buksan?
Kailangan ba siya shape before trick?
Supposedly. Ano ba? Kapag napakikita dito. Ito nga.
Ikaw ang nakasaksi ng lahat.
Nakalat ako dito.
Pati yung nagtubo. Tapos nakakandi. Ito dito scented. Normal lang.
Yeah, normal lang.
Let's see. Malamig kaya pa?
It is.
Ang tapang.
10% alcohol. Tapang, di ba? Gusto pa uminom ng maawa. Palit eh. Happy anniversary. Taba, wow. Oh yeah, it is good.
Electric fan ba?
I wish.
Stay together and love each other. And God will be the center of this relationship. And yeah.
So I wish that we get... Wala yung wish ko. Para... I wish that we get through each challenges together. That we have more understanding and love for each other.
Yeah.
I wish that we get married one day and have a happy family.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ano pa ba? Karoon tayo ng sariling bahay.
Ayan.
Ayun, successful. Oh
life.
my gosh.
Happy life.
Both our careers. So, after nung wish namin together, nagkwentuhan lang kami about, love shot pa. Kala mo kasal na. Wala lang, gusto lang namin may experience yung, lalo na ako, first relationship ko to, and gusto ko lang maging genuine yung anniversary namin that day, December 13, 2025, and masaya ako na-achieve namin maging 1 year, even though sabi nila mas madami pang mga experience pag matagal na, mas matagal pa sa relationship. And Andre, apostrophe shit, I don't know, I'll try. Sabi ko nga, binili niya sa mall something, and gusto niya nga tikman, so it's good. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na this is the best day of my life na we celebrated together. Syempre sa bahay nila yan ni Andre, sa Bacoor, Cavite, with her parents upstairs, and di naman nila kami rinig all this time. Sana, hopefully. So yan, nag-inom lang kami, then nagligpit na rin after namin magkwentuhan. And I guess that is the best, again, that is the best time of my life together with him, of course, my love of my life. Yeah, I really do hope if you guys watching this in the future, the kids, I don't know if I do have kids someday. I love you guys so much, and this is us when we were 20s, so I do hope that you appreciated, or you appreciate this video, and this is inspired from you guys. Okay, so that is me and Andre. Okay, bye.
Something in my heart keeps saying my someplace is here. If I had it in my power, I'd arrange for every girl to have your charm. Then every minute, every hour, every boy would find what I found in your arms. Everybody loves somebody sometime.